Okay, in this short video we're going to demonstrate how to create a simple network. Here's a sketch of what we're going to do. We're going to put a computer over here, and join them with a router using these IP addresses. Here we go. Let's just put this off to the side. We put a 1841 router on. We put one computer here, one computer here. We need to join them up. To do that, we'll use crossover cables running between the fast Ethernet and running between the fast Ethernet 00. Notice this is turned on so we can see them. We'll add another one of these, the copper crossover. Crossover going between the fast Ethernet 01 to the fast Ethernet. Come back to this image here. These are the IP addresses we're going to add to each of the computers. Note this is one network with the subnet address of 192.168.1, and this is another subnet 192.168.2. Okay, to do that, let's add the IP address 192.168.1.100, default subnet mask, and I'll need to add a gateway in here so it knows how to communicate through the router. 192.168.1.1 is the routing address or the gateway address. I need to do a similar thing on this side. Go to the IP configuration and I put in 192.168.2.100, and that's the default subnet mask, and I also put in 192.168.2.1 as the gateway out. So the computers are configured. All I need to do now is configure the router. To do that, I go to the command line interface. I don't want to do the configuration dialog. I just want to go no at that stage, then hit enter return. Then I get to the prompt. The first thing I need to do is go into the enable mode by typing enable. The next thing I need to do is to go into the configure terminal mode. Typing configure terminal. Then I need to go into each of the interfaces and configure them. So interface fast, and I can press tab at that stage to finish off that command /0/0/0, and now I need to give it so I'm now addressing the fast Ethernet 00. I need to put an IP address, so I go IP address 192.168.1.1. I need to tell the subnet mask is going to be 255.255.0. That's configured. I just need to go no shutdown. No shutdown. Hit enter, and this interface is now configured. I now need to configure the other interface. To do that, I can go exit, and I go interface fast Ethernet 0/1. I go IP address 192.168.2.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown command, or no shut. This interface is now configured. I can close that and I can run a test to see whether it's going to work. So from here I'm going to try and ping the far computer. To do that, I can go ping 192.168.2.100, and at first we don't get a response because it's got to work out how to get there, and then we do get a response saying we are communicating successfully with the computer on the other side. So the router is now successfully routing traffic through it, and that was the end of this very simple demonstration showing how to set a router up using some basic commands. That's all. Thank you.